Hi, I'm Franz Eilert. I'm the Cybersecurity Manager from Translational Research Institute. We've been members of AUSCERT since our inception 12 years ago. We did a tabletop exercise with AUSCERT and our board. It was very valuable in teaching the board about how things can escalate very quickly and how we needed to keep the communication channels open when talking to everyone within the executive team and board. It was very well constructed, and when things came from the unexpected quarters, that's when people had to start to react to different scenarios, and that was a great test of the resilience of both the executive team and the board. I think every organisation should do at least one tabletop exercise with AUSCERT. It's very valuable in showing the board how things can go wrong, how it's not just an IT problem, but it's an organisational issue, and communication is the key to having a successful resilience exercise. You should probably run an exercise at least once a year, certainly at the board level, and you should also run a technical exercise as well, so you can test your own technical resilience at an organisational level separate to the board level.